Hello, my name is Aaqueeb and I'm going to be presenting this next section. So at first we go towards the activity. Basically in the activity we have taken up 2 days, and each of those 2 days 2 different time slots. For example, on the day 1 we have the 2 time slots that we have taken up are the morning and the afternoon. So in the morning we're going to play the game called Guessing the Secret Word, and in the afternoon we're going to do an activity, a game that is Pictionary 2.0. And on the second day, first time slot is in the morning, and we're going to play a game called Great Answers for Great Questions in the first, and in the evening we're going to have a gala dinner. And said group of 4 or 8 members depend upon the numbers of staff of company, with at least one person is selected from 4 age groups. Thus, each group must have 4 generations in the company, starting from the youngest to the oldest. And so let's start off with the day 1. The day begins with a whole breakfast and presentation and discussion on the new achievement and reforms and for the upcoming events. And after the presentation, we're gonna play a little game called Guess the Word. I'm going to tell you how to play that game now. So each group has to choose just one member who's going to be called as reader, and he's going to be standing 5 meters away from the group. So the reader's job is basically just to convey the secret word at top of the card in a way that he will allow their teammates to guess what the actually secret word is. The trick is that the reader is not allowed to use any of the forbidden words or pictures printed on the card. And there's going to be a moderator looking over the reader's shoulder to make sure she doesn't say anything or the forbidden words. If a reader says a forbidden word, she loses a point and must move on to the next card. The reader has only 1 minute to convey as many secret words as possible. Once the minute is up, the reader's score is tallied and the points is going to go to the reader's team. Then the next teams get their turn using their stack of different cards. So a reader is picked up every time in a team has a new turn. The game ends once everyone has their chance to play or even the card runs out. The team with the highest number of points in the end is going to win. This game is played in front of a large group, so it would be easier for the moderator to write the secret word on an easel so that everyone in the audience can see that easily, and to make it actually more appealing and fun to the non-playing participants. So the employee, on the next slide we can see, the employee have some free time for gathering for lunch, and after the lunch we're going to play a different game called Pictionary 2.0. We are going to form a team of 5 to 6 teams, and in each team there are going to be 6 members. For this game we have taken up the age group of equal number of members, less than 45 and over 45 in each team. So a volunteer will prepare a bowl full of cards with the different random words written on it. A member will have to come and pick up a card and draw a picture of one thing written on the cards, for example eyes, while the rest of the group will have to take a guess. What is it? Once the team makes the right guess, the picture, in this case eyes, the members will have to sing a song specially made for that word. 50 seconds shall be assigned to each round, and for scoring, -1 for every failed attempt and +1 for every right attempt. In the end, team with the highest point wins. So the aim of this game is converting the word into an image. In the mind require visualization, memory, manipulation of mental images, and organization of thoughts. It will improve the group coordination and the group think, as they have to patiently draw and guess the right word whilst the other team member try to distract them by shouting the wrong answers. Game requires effective communication, which is the key to reduce the generation gap, and the game shall improve the same. Moreover, creativity and teamwork goes hand in hand, and both shall be enhanced during this activity. This game also works on individual traits such as cognitive thinking and faster problem solvings. This is all from my side. Thank you.